currently battling low views on your live streams? Now, it doesn't matter if you are going live directly on YouTube or if you are simply doing Restream with the Restream software. Lately, a lot of creators are complaining of having zero views on their live streams. So in this video, I am going to highlight a few reasons why you could be experiencing low views, zero views on your live streams. So watch this video to the end, as you might be able to gain one or two things that will help you elevate your strategies and get better results in your next stream. So now, first of all, one of the reasons why you could be experiencing low views on your live stream is lack of promotion and audience building. Okay. Especially if you are a new channel and you have very low subscribers. Maybe your subscribers are not even up to 100 yet. So it's very normal to have low views even on your long form content or on your live streams. Okay. So now, if you're a new channel, your content might not be reaching a wider audience yet, because you have to understand that the YouTube needs time. The YouTube needs time to get to know your channel, to understand the type of content that you are posting, and to understand the type of audience that resonates with your type of content. Now, if you are a new channel and you don't even have up to 3 videos on your channel, you don't post frequently, you don't post consistently, it is going to be harder for the algorithm to figure out who your audience are, and it's going to take longer time for you to hit your goal. Okay. So because the more videos you post, the more the algorithm is able to know who is resonating or who is engaging with your content. So as a new channel, because of you don't have enough audience yet, it could be that is the reason why you are experiencing low views on your live stream. And also another reason when it comes to your audience, definitely insufficient community. If you don't have a community, one thing we have to understand is that to make it on YouTube, to grow on YouTube, you have to have a community. A community is not something you come across one day, it's something you build over time. So especially when it comes to live stream, if you don't have a solid community, if you don't have a support system that is, always readily available to come and engage on your live stream, it's going to be difficult for you to get those views coming in and obtain those watch hours that you potentially get from that live stream. Also, if you are getting zero views on your live streams, it could also be because of lack of promotion. Okay. It's always good to promote your live streams. Let's say you are planning to go live this week. So if you have a group of people, maybe some people that would come and support you, it's good to promote your live stream, put a message out there. You can even make a post ahead of time on your YouTube community and tell them, oh, I'll be going live so time. Please come and support me. Okay. So that's definitely is going to help you have some people viewing your live once you decide to go live. So now that's definitely some reasons why you could be experiencing low views on your channel. So, and potential reason why you could be experiencing low views on your live streams is content related issues like lack of engagement. Again, if you are live and there is no one available to watch your live, drop a comment and share your live, it's going to be difficult for YouTube to push this live out to more people. So we have to understand that the more people comment, the more people stay and watch your live, the more YouTube will push your live stream out there for other people to see and start viewing. So another reason why you could potentially be having low or zero views on your live stream is irrelevant or uninteresting content. If you are posting irrelevant content, if you are streaming irrelevant content on your channel, or you are streaming content that are not directly related to your type of niche or whatever, it could also lead to you getting very low views and zero views. Now, watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video, I am going to be sharing one of the major reasons I think people are actually not getting the views they deserve when it comes to their live stream. Okay. So irrelevant, uninteresting content could also be part of the reason why you are not getting those views while live streaming. And then poor content strategy, videos that are too short or about random topics. So you have to understand that when you want to go live, you need to have a plan. You need to be strategic. You need to understand your audience. You need to understand the people that you have, or maybe your subscribers. You need to know their interests. You need to actually understand how your audience think, what they want, and what they need. So that when you announce that you are coming live, you will definitely have some amount of people that are interested to come and join you in that live session. Whether you are race streaming a video or you are going live directly, this applies. So you have to be strategic, understand your audience and their needs, and then prepare a relevant video, a relevant topic that will serve their needs, and stream it or come live and talk about it. Now, this part I want to mention now is very, very important. And I noticed that some creators do ignore this part. So now, another reason why you could be having low views or zero views on your live streams is technical and setting issues. Because some people think just because you are going live, you don't need to put a title there, you don't need to put a description there, you don't need to put your tags in there, and you don't need to put your hashtags in there. So we have to understand that anything you post on YouTube, the description, the title, or even the thumbnail that you create will help them understand the type of audience to push your videos to. If you are just going live and there is no specific title, there are no descriptions, there are no hashtags, there are no searchable keywords anywhere to be found in your description or in your tags, it's going to be difficult for YouTube to actually navigate who wants to watch your live or who they should push it to. So, going forward, let's develop the habit of setting up our live stream just the way we set up our long form video when we want to upload it. Okay. So if you want to go live, set your description, have a title for your live stream so that people can actually understand this is what this live is about. Okay. This will also help you promote your live stream better. Let's say you are planning to go live for a question and answer session about a specific topic. So you can easily create a flyer and announce it to your community or post it on your channel so that people will know what to anticipate. By the time you just hit the live button and there is no specific title attached to your live, there are no description, nothing at all, you didn't set it up properly, it's not going to be easy for YouTube to start recommending that video to anyone because now there is no direction for your video. Okay. And as well as when it comes to setting your live, you also have to indicate whether it's made for kids or not. If you make the mistake of setting your live stream to made for kids, then it's very possible for you to have very low views and even get zero views, depending on the type of content you are streaming or the type of topic you are talking about when you are live. So always ensure that your live stream is not set to made for kids because I understand that a lot of new creators are not very familiar with some little things that matter. Okay, like going live and having a title and description. Some people do not do this. I see that all the time. Most new channels don't do this. And this is something that you need to be doing if you want to be strategic and intentional about your live streams or your live free streams. You have to make sure you are doing this. And also make sure that your live streams are not set to made for kids. Always make sure that you have the proper setting for your live streams. You have set it up correctly. And another reason why you could also potentially experience low views or zero views on your live streams could be because of technical glitch on the YouTube system. This thing happens a lot of times, okay? So it could be because of glitches and all that. So when you're experiencing low views or zero views on your live streams, don't give up. Rather, always look for ways to improve, change your pattern, change your strategy, try different videos. Just keep testing until you find something that is working for you. Going live is not just about going live once or twice because you don't get the results you are looking for. You start to give up. You have to keep trying. You have to do your research. Find out how can I stream live successfully and get good views. Okay. So these things I'm listing here today are just part of the things that you should consider. This could be the reason or could be playing a role as to why you are not getting a lot of views on your live streams or why you are always getting zero views. Okay. So another reason why you could be experiencing zero views or low views on your live streams, is if the type of content you are streaming or the things you do on your live streams are too saturated. Yeah. So you have to be specific. You have to really understand what people want to watch, okay, and find a way to stand out. And then another thing that is very important that I think you should always consider when going live is always go live using the portrait format. Okay. Go live like this. Use the portrait format. Don't go live like this. Okay. Like this is better because you stand the chance of getting more views because YouTube will be able to push that live stream on the shorts feed. Honestly, due to my research, people prefer to watch live streams in this format, portrait format, okay, like this. So always make sure that you set up your live streams, the portrait format and not landscape. So that's another thing that you should always consider before you go live. So if you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you and I hope you gain something from this video. I am Angela, the face behind this channel, and I am always happy to bring you updates and strategies that will help you grow your channel up until monetization and beyond. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Encourage me as well because I need your support. I need your encouragement to keep coming here with great content like this. So that's it from me today. So before you go live, again, ponder on these things I listed here. Ensure that you are not making these mistakes and always try to do better each time you are going live. Let your latest live be better than the other one. Don't just go live for the sake of going live. Be strategic, be intentional, understand your own audience, and bring to them what they want from you and what they are looking for. So let me know in the comment section, have you been experiencing low views on your live streams? Have you experienced zero views on your live streams? And what have you been doing about it? Let us know and share in the comments. Thanks for watching and bye bye for now.